Annalise, good evening. Very warm welcome. How are you doing there in Belgium? Hi, Judith. Here we are. A very warm welcome to you, blossoming tribe of drunken Buddhas. Here we are again, 6 o'clock, Thursday. As always, good to see you. Ilsa, nice. Emily, Cherry, the tribe is arriving. Isn't this great? My favorite part of the day is hanging out with you guys. Let's dive into the stillness together, connect with our hearts, transcend the thoughts, let go of the day, and just go into this beautiful state of meditation. So before I do that, I've got a very special announcement. On the 2nd of May, I'm going to be starting a brand new course called The Power of Love. And this course I've never done anything like it before. It was inspired by the Ukraine peace meditations that we did a few weeks ago. And it contains material that I've never shared. And there's some reasons for that. It's because it can be misused, quite simply. But I've decided to take a leap of faith and to share it with you guys. So 2nd of May, links in the bio. The Power of Love. Basically, it's all about the heart. And also, if you would like to connect together in person, I'm going to be in Zurich at Air Yoga on the 18th and 19th of June. So things are starting to open up again. Martin, Andreas, very warm welcome. Let's now dive into the meditation. You ready for some stillness? I know I am. Let go of the day. You've done everything that you can. And right now is a time to just connect to that stillness, have a break, take a rest, just move into that silence, connect to your essential self and relax. Okay, so the fundamentals, I thought today just to go over the fundamentals, just keep things kind of moving along. It's so easy to get swept along by life and to get carried away into all kinds of stories and stuff. Talking of stories, by the way, I'm here in Slovenia, and guess what? I forgot to bring my lights and stands and all this kind of stuff, so it's all a bit delicate today, so fingers crossed I get through this. Hi Maggie, hi Bianca. So just taking a breath, connecting to the aliveness of this moment and relax, let go, do nothing. Let go of the idea of having to do something, solve something, prove something, live up to something, serve somebody. Right now we're just looking to simply nourish yourself by being present. By being grounded, present, and open. So the first step, being grounded, this is so important. You connect to the body, you connect to the breath, you connect to your senses. Grounded in presence becomes very powerful when you become more aware of your breathing patterns. You can notice when they change, so it's a great skill to have. So right now, just simply doing that, bringing your focus to the breath. Breathing in like a wave rising in the ocean, filling with energy. A moment of stillness when you're neither breathing in nor out. And that gorgeous feeling of release as you let go, like a wave collapsing. Doesn't that feel good? So with every breath, as you breathe out, the body automatically will relax a little bit more. Shoulders, lower back. And as your body opens, you start to feel a merging with the earth. Feeling of being connected, supported. But staying with the breath. Taking another conscious breath, just feeling that physical relaxation settle into your body, your belly, your heart. Notice how that feels nice, like slipping into a hot bath. It just feels good. So this is the grounding part, using the breath to connect to the earth, connect to the body, the senses. So also listening, feeling, but most of all expanding your awareness into simply being present, grounded in presence. So being present, simply connecting to this feeling of aliveness. There's no thought attached to it. It's not thoughts about the past or the future. Simply this conscious presence. The part that is observing your breath, observing feelings, thoughts. Resting there. And if thoughts are there, it's okay, they can come and go. But your focus, and this is the golden key, place your focus, hold it in the present. Use the breath as an anchor, listen to sounds, look at a candle. We're simply having the intention to let go of thought. Or let go of the grip of thought. So being grounded in presence. And then from there we move into a space of being more open, connecting with the heart. Maybe some sensations there, emotions. You may feel a little vulnerable. Remember, the grounding gives you that strength to give space to those feelings, to this moment, the reality of it. So being open means simply to be aware of what is without any resistance or judgment or complaints, simply observing the reality of this moment. Being at peace with it. It is what it is. So being grounded, present, and open. 3 simple steps to move into the present moment, to let go of the over-identification of stories about the past or the future, moving into stress, moving into relaxation, like falling into sleep. When you fall asleep at night, there's this feeling of letting go, except we're letting go into stillness. Letting go into the silence, the tranquility of your being. And then also to appreciate this moment, sharing this heart space together. A kind of sacred moment where we transcend time and space and simply join together in meditation. This feeling of being connected. Sharing a vibration, the heart space. Just appreciating that for a moment, these beautiful souls that we share this earth with together, that we are all connected. We are from one source, one ocean. So always having some attention on the breath. If you find yourself drifting or moving into a story, it's okay. Just always having some awareness of the breath and remembering to connect to the body, staying grounded, relaxed. Listening to sounds. And simply watching one moment as it flows into the next. Noticing how each moment has its own fragrance, its own colour, its own aliveness. And with each breath, moving a little deeper into the stillness. Like this feeling of letting go of anything. Just focusing on the background quiet, the part that's observing thoughts, observing the moments, as a quality of peace. And you may also notice there's a sense of satisfaction or contentment. Consciousness doesn't need anything. Nothing needs to be added. There's a fullness there, a richness. And this is who you are. This is your essential self. Observing thoughts, feelings, the body. So as we start to come to the end of the meditation, know that that part of you, is always there. That stillness, that richness is always available to you. And just being grounded, present, and open. For the last minute, we'll just rest in that silence and enjoy this connection. Thank you so much for joining us today in this beautiful meditation. Really lovely to connect with you and to share this space together. So thank you so much. Namaste, Gaso. And I will see you in the next session. Take care. Namaste, Annalise. Yes, it does. Christia, thank you, my dear. Most welcome. Yeah, next week I'll have my bell back. Hopefully I can find it. Johanna, lovely to see you. Thank you so much. Atina, thank you. Peaceful Angel Heart. Judith, great. Emil, great guy. Great to see you guys. Bianca, Martin, good evening. Lovely to see you. Hope you're all doing well. Okay, so take care. Namaste, Gaso, and I will see you in the next session. Heinz, hey, nice to see you. Ilsa, just what I needed. Yeah, me too. Me too. Take care, my loves. See you next time.